Good morning, guys. It's about 7:30 in the morning again. I'm out in Yeoju today. Doing a little bit of a different type of fishing. I'm at a river, so if you can see a bit of mist coming out the water. From my understanding, there's this water is supposed to be kind of warm, so I'm gonna kind of stick my hand in it and see. Well, doesn't feel very warm. Let's give it a shot and see if we can pull some fish out of here. I'm gonna get ready and let's get it. Alright, so looks like quite a few people come out here to fish. Do I want to try the drainage pipe over here? I know it's fairly shallow, but there could be some fish hiding up right in there. Let's give it a few quick casts. I'm on that mini crank, small crank. Done well with this overall, so just a few casts in this area. Doesn't look very deep. Alright, didn't think so. I came here today because one of the, I guess, bloggers that I follow, or I met and kind of started talking about fishing quite a bit, he came out here earlier this week and landed a good, I'd say, good 4 or 5 fish. So I'm thinking this is the spot. Let's check his blog out quickly. I'm looking for, so what I'm looking for is something like that. And if we look here, this looks like the spot. I'm gonna try and cast out. Definitely hitting bottom. It is really shallow. I'm just trying to keep my rod tip up a little bit so I feel that bottom. Oh, I did see there's something blowing up over there. Don't think it's a bass. Oh, there's a fish. Wow. Nice. Oh, he came and hit it. Nice. Wow. First couple of casts, guys. First couple of casts. Nice one, too. Oh, well, come here. There you go. Wow. Ooh. He smoked that thing. Got him on both hooks. Nice. Oh, this is a decent spot, guys. First couple of casts. Oh, nice little one, guys. Look at that thing. Oh, can't even smack that thing. So they're definitely around, guys. I had a feeling that this bait would work. I've done well with this bait, especially in river systems. So. Oh, oh, I think I was. That's grass. Give it a few more casts and then move up. What? Oh, oh, what? Nice grass. It's not too cold today, guys. It's probably about 1 or 2 degrees right now, feels like. I'm driving real light today because I'm in a river system, so I gotta go up and down the bank quite a bit. I'm just trying to take a look around, see if we see any action anywhere. Maybe they're out more into the middle. Maybe I should have brought my waders and kind of gone in. That could be a option for next time. And the water doesn't look very deep, so maybe if I bring my waders and head in a little bit and try and get that middle area. Okay, let's move up a little bit. See if that makes sense. In the summertime, I've been out here once, but it was just way too much grass. Too much grass, too much water. It definitely looks like the water level's down. So I'm gonna just go after it the way I do it. Let's move up a little bit. And then on my way down, I'll try a different technique, and we'll just keep going back up and down, trying different techniques. I mean, I definitely feel like the fish are around here. Let's move up a little bit more. And this river goes up for a while. Switch out to a worm. Let's see what I got. I don't know if I have the right hook size for this. Let's take a look. It's not too bad. Or we'll go with the double ringer in my June bug color. I like the June bug color. And let's see if I can get a few to come out of here with this. See how far I can get with this. It is nice and peaceful, guys. Definitely not seeing as much movement up in this area as I was just underneath. Alright. Now, I don't think going up that way is going to make much sense. So let's head back down. I mean, this is where this next stream comes in and then joins this one. So, I mean, they could be right up in this area over here. Let's try it out. Again, not very deep at all. Let's check out this spot over here. The reason I think they're going to be downriver is everything's going to be flowing in. This is that area where the food is going to be, so maybe they're a little bit towards that walkway in the water, but I just saw something pop in the water. Maybe they don't like my worm. Just drag it on bottom, guys. Going back to the crank, possibly switching out to a blade bait. Let's see how it goes. Back on my crank. They seem to be kinda active. You know what? I think this is gonna call for a blade bait, guys. I need to get more distance. Ooh, come on, get out of there. I think I'm gonna get hung up a bit, but definitely around here. Alright, let's go retrieve this bad boy. Oh! And there goes my blade bait, guys. Ah! Going back on my crank. Let's give this spot another shot. If we can get away with fast fishing and catching them, I prefer that. You know what? I'm gonna head back to my original spot. The spot I caught my one fish. Definitely looks like more people will be showing up. Oh, that was a hit. He's taking it. There's one. There's one. Oh. There's one. Woo! There's one. Oh. There's one. It's not very big, but he wanted that. He's a little chunker. Look at him. He's got a nice little belly on him. There you go. Nice little chunker, guys. Fish number 2. Yes. I think I found the spot. I'm just hitting it right in front. Right in front of me. I mean, that's where the first one came from too. It's actually my first fish on a free rig. A lot of people in Korea use it. I was never a big fan of it. I prefer just using, you know, the Texas rig. But I guess it does catch fish. Since there's some chop on the water and it's warmer, plan on using my crank again, and maybe I'll come after it. Oh, there's one. There's one. Yes. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Ooh. Ooh, it's a nice one. It's a nice one. Oh, another one on the crankbait, guys. Alright guys, another one on that crankbait. Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. Woo! Fish number 3 today. It's not too big, not too small, but I'll take it. I think they're hiding in between some of that dead grass. And so if they're hiding in that dead grass with this grass around here and I'm coming by, they'd come in. Take it. I mean, yeah. All right, guys. So caught, what was it, 3 fish today? Feels pretty good. I mean, maybe they're starting to come out for me. 3 fish last week, so feeling pretty confident. But again, still winter. Got quite a few people out here. A little bit more confident with that winter bass fishing. Actually, today's weather is quite nice too, so maybe that helped. But thank you to the blogger. I'll post his name somewhere. Thanks for the information. Again, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys again soon.